Sanibonani Mzansi, Kamla Xolani Khumalo under Xolani Khumalo Foundation. Sivumelana nomphakathi ukuthi exercise ama rights wawo ngoba awumthetho sisekelo ukuthi makunama frustrations esingekho happy ngawo sifuna ukufaka ipressure ku government. We must exercise our right, si protest, sikwazi ukuthi uvo lwethu lizwakala. Kodwa ke kusasa umhla ka-30 yazi kunabantu abacula amanyomfonyomfo abafuna ukwenza izinto ezirong. As a foundation we are saying bonke abantu abazimushisele ukuphula ama properties wabantu, ukulutha, ukushaya abantu, ukuhlukumeza abantu kuma private properties wabo, amaphoyisa akhona will get arrested. And if bangakutholi thina sikwazi, we'll make sure that you are found. Asifuni abantu abazoyenza izinto ezirong. Asifuni abantu abazothatha advantage ngama frustrations wethu si-country ukuthi sifuna abanye bahambe babuyele emakhaya kubo, ukuthi iphaza mazibuyele back ebantwini bethu, ukuthi labafundisi laba abavula amasonto ngapha Mbumbulu abadlisa abantu bethu amadumu namagundwane babuyele babudlisa abantu bakubo amagundwane babuyele emakubo. Asifuna abantu bathatha advantage yama frustrations wethu. So si foundation siyanxusa sithi mawuzazi ukuthi unengqondo engcolile sakuthola, we will make sure that amaphoyisa adinga ngawo. Amaphoyisa azoyenza umsebenzi wawo, cela sihlonipheni ngalo umthetho. Ofuna uprotesta, they have a right, futhi I promote it, they have a right to protest or do a walkabout basiphathele iflag labo bathi mina ngwala silwela into yala. Asingayenzi izinto ezirong. The reason why abantu bangaphandle basuka le bazohlala la is because of bayabona ukuthi singabantu abanokuthula. So let's keep our flag high and make sure that we keep South Africa safe.